Now let's move on to a story I've been wanting to bring you for a very long time. Now on the face of it, it's about the Oppo F7, the Diamond Black Edition. But it's actually the inside secret that truly intrigues me. So I'll start off first by actually unboxing the Oppo F7 Black Edition.
Oppo's Diamond Black Edition strangely has the red color phone printed on top. So we were wondering, when we opened the phone, will we see the Black Edition? Thankfully we did. After we opened the box, we were greeted with a sleek looking phone kept neatly in the box. Below the phone we found the user manual, a pin to open the SIM card slot and a plastic cover for the phone which comes free inside the box. Underneath all this were the essentials, a charger, a charging cable and a pair of headphones. We were quite impressed with the packaging of the Oppo F7, and here is how the Diamond Black Edition looks like. It left us awestruck. It is a stunner with diamond cut pattern on the rear. The glossy back makes the phone shine but also makes it very reflective, making it harder for us to shoot the phone. The Oppo F7 Diamond Black Edition will definitely get you noticed in a crowd. Oppo F7 comes with AI-enhanced 25-megapixel front camera, 6.23-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 screen ratio, 128GB internal memory and 6GB RAM. This Oppo F7 edition is priced at 26,990 rupees.